Hello everyone, welcome to Red Summer Holdings, a real estate partnership comprising of 8 owners, Tochi, myself Zoe, Ramad, Charles, Ikechi, Chima, Innocent, and Ike. Here we discuss the evolution of our business, which shows you how group economics can be successful in regards to real estate. If you believe there is value in this information, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. With that being said, let's get to the content you've all been waiting for.
Uh, okay, so I did Michigan, Detroit area, as you guys all know. Um, my idea for choosing as far as the multi units was relative to like downtown or near a school or near upcoming developments, just like that Amazon one that's supposed to be starting in 2022 in the state fairgrounds location. So yeah, let's get this started. Why is this? So this is property one. As you guys, let me kind of give you guys an outlook on my searches. So these are the searches in Detroit. Some of the areas there was a price ranging 50 to 100. This is where like downtown is, like where Pistons play. New upcoming developments are. This is where the fairgrounds is in this area. So I try to get multi units near this area because it's going to be the new Amazon warehouse. So these are some of the price points. I did 50 to 100K. Um, so yeah. So starting with the first one, um, this is 94. It's a 4 bed, 2 bath, 1820 square footage. Uh, I guess it gives 850 per month. So if we go back to this spreadsheet, this is how much you would have to put down, about 19,000. Is this right? Price per unit? I don't know if that's right. I guess like 48,000. Price per square foot is $52. It's been on this website for 58 days. Like I said previously, it's 2 unit, 2 bed, 1 bath, 850. Um, So the yearly income would be 9,180, and the potential yearly mortgage would be about 5,500. Property tax was 1,848. The estimated insurance is 600 per year. Um, Estimated profits would be 1,264 and some change. Estimated capex is $948. Estimate cash on cash is around 5%. And then operating costs, a little over 3,000. NOI, close to 6,000. Cash on cash with debt would be around 2%, a little over 2.5. And then cash on cash without debt services is a little over 6%. I want to show you guys the photos, obviously. I think this one is relatively nice. Uh, Dang, this is in the way. So this is what the unit, at least one of them. This is the attic. I don't know if we could do anything with this. Probably not, but this is the home. This is what it looks like. Um, we want to look at the neighborhood. Maps. So this is what the neighborhood looks like. I think it's a pretty nice neighborhood. I don't know about this empty lot right here though. I don't know what's up with that, but it's pretty nice.
I guess I mean, this part come down to, is that the going price for that building? Because at 95, rent at 850, the numbers just don't work, right? Because like the cap rate is like, what was it, like 3%?
Yeah, I
Yeah.
was thinking that myself. Like that seems really off.
Yeah, I don't know if there's a mistake in the numbers somewhere. Because you have to, yeah, you have to be like, you have to get that place at like 70 grand for that thing to bump up. But it seems, I don't know. It seems
I just use the formulas that are on there. Maybe they're wrong, I guess. Which number seems wrong to you, Chima?
it's just the cap rate number, right? So it's let's see. So click on the, I guess click on the on that 2.63%. Let's just look at your formulas again. So it's L52. Sorry, I mean it's hard to see my
Minus
phone.
L44, which is this one, divided by L30, which is this one.
That sounds right. Right? Estimated
Yeah.
down payment.
It's right. It's just that the rents are
L52.
low. Like
Yeah, I was
the
gonna say,
rents
where'd you
are
get the
low.
rents from? Rentometer or the listing or?
It's the listing says 850 per month. I don't know
Is
long
it
term.
850 per unit?
Oh, it might be per
It might be
unit then.
850 per
Yeah.
unit.
Okay,
Then you have to multiply by 2.
so that's 17.
That makes it a very nice deal.
Yeah, that'll bump things up.
Yeah. So I guess maybe it says
I
per
mean, I don't
tenant.
know,
I don't know.
but usually I think they do it per unit, right? If they do
Per
that.
month.
2x1s.
I don't. Yeah.
Actually, I'm not sure.
It says long
I'm not
term
sure how Redfin
tenant.
does it.
Yeah, it seems like it's only rented to one person right now. So maybe one side is empty. It says long-term tenants, not tenants.
Is it listed as a duplex?
Yeah, right here. Yeah.
All right, so yeah, it must be just one is empty, and because
Yeah.
I mean that wording is basically whatever the real estate agent puts down.
Mhm.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, that makes a lot more sense. I was just like, wait, what?
yeah. What's the proximity to downtown Detroit?
We can look. So downtown Detroit is way right here.
Do like a quick.
But the reason why I got this one is close to that future development.
Oh yeah,
at
okay.
At the where is it?
Oh,
So
how
I know
close is the
Fairgrounds.
DMC? Oh, never mind.
I know, like everything I've heard about Detroit, they said that a lot of the development is really close to downtown. But if there's something else that's going on in the suburban area, or if like what's the distance in like drive time from there to downtown? Is it like far? And obviously this is
22 minutes.
That's not real. And this is more like for the mental math on appreciation, because if the rents cover, you know, if the rents make us money, fantastic. The appreciation is like icing on the cake, right? So if it's close enough for appreciation, great. If not, it's not a big deal.
Yeah.
22 minutes is that bad either.
It's not that bad at all.
And Detroit has the biggest freeways. They drive everywhere.
How long did you say it's been on the market?
It's 58 days, so about almost 3 months.
I was listening to a real estate podcast with a agent, and they were talking about like, or an agent that's also an investor, and he was talking about like how the first thing he looks at when he looks at a listing is days on market, because more often than not, at that 90-day mark, the price is about to go down, because usually those contracts to sell are for 90 days. So if you see something that's like, I don't know, 85 days on market or like 80 days on market, you can probably offer a lower purchase price and have a better chance of getting accepted, because the agent doesn't want to lose the contract to sell it.
I see.
I thought it was a good nugget.
For sure.
All right, so I'm going to go to the second one. This one's also in Detroit. The ones that I looked at for like East Landing, Warren, the reason why I chose Warren, because that was also near the the new Amazon warehouse development. But this one is in Detroit. It is a 4-bed, 2-bath, 2-unit duplex. So yeah. So it was built in 1960. It's approximately about $80,000. Square footage, 1482. So our down payment, we're looking at like 16,000 approximately. Price per unit, it's around 40 grand. And then price per square foot is 54. It's been on the market for 19 days. Like I said previously, it's 2 units. So it's 2-bedroom, 1-bath, coming in at 1,200. I think I got that from Zillow because they didn't actually have a price. They said they cut $50 on 117.
Is that $50 from the rent or is that $50 from sale price?
I guess the sell price. I don't know. Let's look.
That'd be ridiculous.
That's nothing. Maybe yeah, from the price, sell price, because it was $950.
This person is childish.
Stupid.
Whoever's listing this.
I think Zillow tends to put in the price of the entire thing as opposed to per unit, if I remember properly.
Yeah,
don't think
it should be at the bottom usually, I think.
Yeah, they don't do what, I guess what Redfin did when they divided it. I think they just give you, it's just the rent for for both units, I think combined.
Okay.
If it's it was 1,200, right? The rent
Yeah.
collected.
Yeah.
That's fine. 1,200 is well above
See that at?
1%.
Yeah.
Maybe it's the other one I saw it. Maybe not. Well, yeah, maybe I was wrong in that, but I could have sworn I found 1,200. But anywho, so if it's 1,200, obviously yearly income is about 13,000. Potential yearly mortgage about 5,000. Property tax per year would be about 1,200. The estimated insurance yearly would be about $504. Estimated profit would be around $6,681. Estimated capex would be 5,000, approximately a little bit over 5,000. Estimated cash on cash 31%. Operating costs approximately 4,500. NOI would be a little over 8,400. And the cash on cash with debt services would be 18.5%. And then cash on cash with debt services would be about 10.5%. So we can look at where exactly it is on. So this is in approximate to the location compared to downtown. You can see how far it is. This is about 18 minutes. So that's like where it's at.
Oh, it's close to Beaumont. Beaumont hospitals are super big in that area.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I mean, I saw it on your map. Just scroll up again. Yeah, Beaumont's right there. It's a
There's
big
one.
employer.
There's one below the
Yeah,
wall.
it's like a.
Say that again, bro.
There's one below the Walmart as well. The Beaumont that you speak of, unless I didn't see it correctly.
Oh yeah, there's another one. Yeah,
Oh,
there's another one. There's
right here.
Beaumont, Dearborn. Yeah, they're like the Kais of that area. Like they just
Mhm.
they have sites all over. But major employers in
Yeah,
that
so
Detroit region.
So I thought this was relatively good area, and it's close to that, like I said, that Amazon development that's
That's a nice
coming.
area. And
Um,
then University District. What district is that? Bagley. Yeah, I've been hearing about Bagley. Like Bagley's like popping or whatever. This
yeah,
looks like
so
hey, what's this area code?
um,
It's
it's 48239.
oh, okay, cool. Yeah, that yeah. All right.
So that's pretty much that one. That's why I chose it. I think the price, also location. Um, it's close to downtown, and that new development that Amazon is proposing to build in 2022. So, so those were kind of like mid to high. Now I'm going to like the lower ones, and then it's gonna go back to high. I don't know if we want to do all of these, but these are just some that I looked at. So this is 45,000. Um, this is a 4-bed, 2-bath. These are the photos. Pretty decent. It's not the best, but I guess it's move-in ready, I would assume, just based off the photos. Probably have to do further investigation with this one since it is 45,000. Um, but yeah, so the estimate we would have to put down would be 9,000. Square footage is around $2,142. Price per unit would be about 22.5, and then price per unit, and then price per unit is $21. Um, or price per square footage. So this is relatively new on the market, only 4 days. Um, like I said, it's 2 units. There's one that is 2-bed, 1 bath. So total of 2 units at 850. I don't think this yeah. So the yearly mortgage would be $9,000. The property tax on this one would be about 2,600. Property tax is about 1,572. The estimated insurance is 288. Estimated profit would be $4,729. Estimated capex would be a little over 3,500, and then cash on cash would be about 39%. Operating costs would be about 3,200, a little over, and then the NOI would be approximately close to 6,000, and then cash on cash with debt services would be 37%, a little over, and then cash on cash without debt service would be about 13%. So this area is near. And just so everybody knows, like Detroit, it has pretty much a high crime rate. That's why I kind of chose closer to these suburb areas or close to downtown, because it has a pretty high crime rate. So this one's about 16 minutes from downtown. Obviously, it's in between downtown and that new development. So I thought that, and it's at a good price. Um, so moving on to one, this is the one I really thought was pretty interesting. So this is a 4-bed, 2.5 bath. There's 2 units. It's a pretty good looking unit. I think they're still doing the final touches, or looks like it. Still probably need to do a little cosmetics with paint or something, cleaning. Maybe these walls. But, so that's that. So obviously it's $60,000. Square footage is a little over 1,900 square feet. Estimated down payment would be 12,000. Estimation per unit would be about 30,000. Price per square unit is $30, and this is also only been on the market for 4 days. So it's 2 units. One is 2 bed, 2 bath, and then one is 2 bed, 1.5 bath. The total rent is $1,250 for both. So the yearly income would be $13,500. Potential yearly mortgage a little over $3,400. The property tax per year would be $960, and then the estimated insurance would be $384. Estimated profits a little over $8,700. Estimated capex would be $6,500. Estimated cash on cash 54%. Operating costs would be a little over $4,700. NOI would be a little over $8,700. Cash on cash with debt services 44%. Cash on cash without debt services would be 14.6%. So let's see how far that one is from downtown. Oh, shit. So this one's really close. It's only 12 minutes from downtown.
It has a positive church sign. When you have like so many churches next to a place, I call it a positive church sign.
Oh, really?
That's the hood. Zoom
Yeah.
in.
Yeah.
Anyway, but yeah, I mean the rent in that place was like $1,250, or was it 1,200? It seemed
$1,250.
more than the other ones you listed, which
Yeah.
made the numbers look really favorable. Things I like though, having like multiple bathrooms per unit is always a plus.
I
Because
agree.
I'm looking for places
then-
now. Like,
Yeah.
yes, sir, go ahead.
No, go ahead. Go ahead.
Yeah, looking for places now. It's like going from a 3 beds, 1 bath to a 3 bed, 2 baths. That just causes a big jump in freaking price, and so even availability. So that's, I think, looking through this portfolio put together. If I was going to buy something, I'll probably go for this. 2 bed, 2 baths, and 2 bed, 1.5 baths. It'll be easy to rent.
Okay.
Yeah, that 1.5 bath is like clutch.
Yeah.
Yeah, because yeah. Bro, to answer your question, this is the only light I have. I don't know what light you want me to turn on.
I just can't see your face, bro.
No, I was just about to edit
trying to
that
make
out.
my editing life easier because you're talking, but you're in the dark. You feel me?
Oh. I see myself clearly. I don't know about you.
Obviously.
Yeah. Tochi, you're kind of dark though.
Really?
It's not. Yeah.
Black.
Yeah.
Mhm.
That's a little better actually, but still,
Yeah,
like
actually
if
better,
you had
yeah. I just
if
need
you had
that
like
light.
a table lamp.
If you open a window blind for natural light.
So do you want me to move right now? Is that what you're saying? You want me to shift?
I mean, it's too late now, but I need more light.
Okay, I got you.
All right.
Maybe I shouldn't have wore the black turtleneck, I guess.
Probably not.
Okay. So yeah, these other ones are similar. I don't know if you guys want to take a look because it is 11 o'clock, but I can look at this last one. This one's actually in East Lansing. It's not in Detroit.
How far is East or is Lansing from Detroit?
It's pretty far. I did that one because of Michigan State. That's the reason for that. So you want to see from downtown?
Well, if it's far away, it doesn't really matter because what matters more is its proximity to Michigan State, right?
Yeah. Oh, sure.
That last one, that's 1 bed, 1 bath. I think it's designed for students. If that's the,
I think it's 1 bed and 1 bath.
yeah, I think only like a, yeah, it's probably designed for like, you know, yeah, for students, things like that.
So 5 minutes. 5-minute drive from Michigan State.
Yeah,
For like grad students.
yeah.
Mm-hmm. So it's a pretty, I don't know, it's okay for if you're a student. It is.
Yeah, no, I
It's
agree.
okay for a student. It's not bad, you know. I don't know about the color coordination, like the purple, but
Yeah, I mean, it's a 1 bed, 1 bath. They're not picky.
yeah. So that's pretty big backyard. Um, but yeah, that's that one. So this one is 75,500. It was built in 1896. So probably this one we want to have like a thorough investigation, maybe for foundation or any major cost down the line. So the square footage is about 1,400, a little over 1,400. The estimated down payment is 15,100. Price per unit would be about 37,750. And then price per square foot is around $51. So this one's actually been on the market for 86 days. So maybe we can, you know, if we are interested in this or it makes sense, then we could give them a lower offer. So like I said, this is 2 units. It's only 1 bed, 1 bath. It's relative for students at $900, paying $450 for a unit. Yearly income 9,720. Potential yearly mortgage is around 4,345. Property tax is close to 3,000. The estimated insurance is at 480. So estimated profit would be 1,930. Estimated CapEx $1,447. So the estimated cash on cash is a little over 9%, so 9.6. Operating costs would be around $3,402. NOI is 6,318. And then we have the cash on cash with debt services, 13%. Cash on cash without debt services, 8.37%.
Yeah.
So that
There's also
one's not.
situations where the juice might not be worth the squeeze, but it's
Yeah.
also a situation where like it's always going to be rented, but
Yeah.
it's also the rental prices are priced optimally because the 2x1s are going for 1,000. If a
Yeah.
1x1 go for 900, I don't think you have much room to increase the rent. So it's
Mhm.
only worth it if you can buy for a cheaper price. But
Mhm.
given the location, that's probably just the going rate of stuff in that area.
Yeah. So that's pretty much what I found. All the other ones actually got sold from my previous. They sold. The
They
last
sell for
one.
more for less, do you know?
We can look. So this one sold on actually December 2nd. I don't know what it sold for though.
92.
92.
Sold for 92K.
Up above, you'll see it.
Oh, this one?
No, that was the estimate. Keep
This
scrolling up.
is, oh, right here,
Yeah,
92.
92K.
You probably had the original price on the.
So it was 95 originally.
Yeah.
So this one
119.
was 119. It sold for 108.
Yeah.
I'm seeing a trend here. One more, and
I
it's
mean,
a
that's
trend.
what I looked up stuff because I had done Pittsburgh.
Mhm.
The first property listed for 75, sold for 61.
Wow.
And the other two just never sold, took them off the market and put them up for rent. One's rented out, the other one, they did all this, refurbishments, looks awesome on the inside and still not rented.
So this
So-
one's, yeah. So this one's 115. This one in East Lansing. So it sold for 105.
Yeah.
So, oh,
Really
this
want
home
the-
this home last sold to 2020,
That's right.
2000. Yeah, it's better.
Back in the heyday of Detroit.
Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Peace.